You get an email. It looks like it came from you to you. It says something like reminder, to do, and today's date, and includes a harmless looking attachment called yourtodo.svg. You open it. It shows a basic to-do list, but what just happened under the hood? You've just triggered a stealthy phishing attack using a trick most devs don't expect: math. Inside this SVG file is not just a graphic, it's JavaScript, obfuscated, hidden, and designed to run without you clicking a thing. This block decrypts a payload. The attacker encrypts the code with a simple XOR cipher. Each byte of that long hex string is decoded using a cycling key. The result, a clean JavaScript string stored in G. Now, here's the trick. Instead of calling eval or function directly, the attacker overloads valueOf. It's a method JavaScript uses automatically when it tries to coerce an object into a primitive, like when you write r+1. Normally, valueOf is used for things like adding objects or comparing them. But here, the attacker uses it to run arbitrary JavaScript just by adding +1. Once triggered, the decrypted code sends your session data to a remote server. That includes your cookies, browser fingerprint, the URL you were on, and even the tab title. This lets the attacker harvest your session and impersonate you, especially if you're already logged into Microsoft, Slack, or your company dashboard. So this email looked internal, but tracing the headers, it revealed it came from suspicious mail relays and IPs tied to bulletproof hosting. It passed every authentication check, like SPF, DKIM, DMARC, and because it was sent through a relay allowed by your domain's own settings, that's why it made it through. Here's what to do if you ever see a file like this or want to hunt for it. Never open .svg files in the browser unless trusted. Use Defender for Endpoint or another EDR such as Judy Security or CrowdStrike to hunt for file activity. Check Microsoft 365 sign-in logs after if anyone had clicked on these, just to make sure no unknown IPs or new sessions were established. Use tools like curl or urlscan.io or VirusTotal to inspect suspicious links without actually executing them. This attack worked because it was simple, sneaky, and technically creative. SVG files are supposed to be safe, but if JavaScript is allowed, anything goes. So stay curious, stay cautious, and always inspect what you execute.
Rolling deep in the code, slicing through the bytes. Intricate security, we stay up all night. Firewall standing tall, breach never in sight. We're the guardians of data, ready for the fight.